I'm Asiah from Hammerhead Armor, and today we have a special edition of Hammerhead on the streets here at SEMA 2024. This is Chloe Yonkers, the cumminscowgirl 2024 GMC Denali McNasty. Hey everyone, I'm here with Chloe and Boston, and they are here to tell us about how they got started with this 2024 GMC Denali and what led them to SEMA, talking about how Chloe got into the business and her all-woman team. Can you introduce yourself?
Thank you. Yes. Hi guys, I'm Chloe Yonker, known as the cumminscowgirl on all social media platforms. We have the owner of the GMC right here, Miss Boston McNally. That's why we got McNasty here. So we're actually best friends from college. So that's how the whole relationship started. And we had been talking about doing her dream build like 3 years ago, back with her 2019. Well, fast forward, she's like, you know, the new GMCs are pretty awesome. I'm gonna trade this one in and get a 24. And I'm like, oh, okay, new truck. Let's take it to SEMA.
I really thought that it would be just girls that like it because it's pink.
Yeah.
But I've got some good reactions from the guys too, which is, it's great.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and talk about this front bumper here from Hammerhead Armor. Can you tell us why you chose this bumper?
So we've been Team Hammerhead with all of our SEMA builds ever since we first started as a builder. We absolutely love the high quality product made in America. So yeah, you gotta love that. I love the fitment. I love how easy it is to install. They're high quality. And of course, this right here was a project that we had all been trying to figure out how we wanted to fill this void, because everyone always puts a light bar there and then we can't drive with them on. So we're like, what can we put here for the show vehicles? And we came up with this idea with Hammerhead as well as XK Glow for the backlighting. And the owner's from Boston, so she wanted to do a Boston Skyline there and have a little bit different showcase.
As we came to the back of the truck now, where you have a Hammerhead rear bumper on the back. Can you tell us a bit about it?
Absolutely. So this was the first bumper that I've encountered through Hammerhead where you actually utilize the OEM sensor brackets. So that was a cool feature. I did not know that that was an option, so that is really cool. And I like that you also custom cut them so that they fit in the exact orientation that they need to be. Right. It's the small details like that that actually like set y'all apart, honestly. But I love the rear bumpers. I love the fitment of them. I like how wide they are, so you have it as a step. Yeah, as you can tell, we need steps to get up here. But yeah, no, I love how everything is very easy. The instruction manuals are super easy to follow as well. They fit around the truck nicely, so you have a protection on a whole like 360, well not 360, but 180 of it, you know? So overall, we love these bumpers. We love y'all as a company as well. Y'all have been amazing to us. Thank you.
I'm Asiah with Hammerhead Armor, and this has been Hammerhead on the Streets. See you next time.